So let's see today's delicious vanilla pudding, which is eggless with no gelatin and no agar powder. So now in a pot, I'm going to be adding 3 cups of milk. I've turned the flame on between low to medium. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, that is regular sugar. You don't need to add powdered sugar, just regular granular sugar. And now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of corn flour. Next, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. And now using a whisk, I'm just going to mix everything really well together so that there's no lumps in this mixture. So with the help of a whisk, or if you don't have a whisk, you can also use a fork. But just, mix everything so that there are no lumps. And once everything is nicely mixed together, you can use a spatula or a wooden spatula and just stir the liquid for at least a whole 5 minutes on a low to medium flame. And exactly after 5 minutes, you'll see that the mixture has thickened up. And the way to see that it's done, just take another spoon and just draw a line on the back of your spatula and you'll get a clear cut line like this. So that means your mixture is ready. We just have to add 2 more ingredients. So since this is a vanilla pudding, we have to add vanilla. So you can add vanilla extract or essence. So I'm using essence. So I'll go with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And just to make this a little more flavorsome, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. That makes this really smooth and delicious. And once you add the butter, just mix everything well, turn off the heat, and ensure that everything is nicely mixed in. So with a whisk or with a spatula, stir the mixture really well till all of the butter and the vanilla essence really mixes in nicely. So bring everything together and mix it up really, really well. Now this vanilla pudding can be had nice and warm, or you can have it chilled also. So I prefer having it chilled. So I'm just going to pour this into some nice bowls. Now this is not like the coconut pudding that I had put up some days ago. This doesn't set in such a way that you can demold it. But this is very light and soft. You can just have it directly from the bowl. So this cannot be, it doesn't harden up to the consistency of which you can demold it. So this is more like a pudding or a custard where you need to have it out of the bowl itself. I will leave a link to my coconut pudding as well, which is made out of fresh coconut. And then with a spoon, just smoothen this out a little bit. And you can have it right now nice and warm. But like I said, I like to refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. So I put it into my refrigerator, and after waiting patiently for 30 minutes, my vanilla pudding is all ready. And I like to just add a little bit of, choco chips. If you have white choco chips, you can add that, or dark choco chips. Since chocolate and vanilla are a real great combination, or you can just have it just by itself. So that's your vanilla pudding all ready. I hope you like this recipe. It's super simple and it doesn't have any gelatin or agar powder or eggs or anything. And it gets ready also pretty quickly. So do give this recipe a try and do let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.